So the recording is thing is loud. Okay. So thank you all for being here. We had some amazing introductions and I want to do a really amazing meditation with you about embracing the present moment. And and so I want you all to get comfortable and start to take some deep breaths and make it soft and easy. So take some deep breaths and kind of get really into the present moment, being really following your breath. What does the air feel like around you? Slow your breath down inside your body. This is just about being present right now. So the air going in and the air going out. Slowing that breath down inside your body. Seeing if you can actually feel the breath fill up your abdominal area. And then as you're exhaling, you're just emptying out and just being in this beautiful now moment, this amazing, beautiful now moment. And I want you to imagine with me. I want you to imagine with me that you are all by a river or a stream that's kind of going by. So you're right by this amazing river or a stream, and the water is just floating down. And it's as if you have any worries or doubts or fears, and just throw it into the water, let it flow. But I want you to imagine with me that wherever it is, it's the perfect weather. Maybe there's a beautiful bench by the stream. Maybe there's birds singing. It feels warm and it feels safe. And I want you to connect into that amazing fullness that is who we are. We're connected into this beautiful stream of pure love. And into this beautiful now moment. I want you to see as if you can picture in front of you. Maybe it's your community before you, your city, the area where you live, or it can be the country where you live, or it can be the entire world. But I want you to imagine with me that all around that beautiful world is like just a beautiful glowing ball of light. And imagine with me that it feels safe and expansive. Feels amazing, very present. If your mind comes up in this moment, that's okay. Just kind of blow it out. You can shake it out. You can move your body and just kind of drop back into this now, right in this beautiful now moment. Because it's about being authentic to ourselves. And we're authentic to who we really are. We're not just our mind. We're so much more than our mind. We're these delicious, amazing co creators, mind, body, and spirit. You have genius inside of you, so profound. You're reaching into that There's a stillness within you as if you're sitting by the water and watching it all flow downstream, right? And if you could even imagine like holding the world or holding this city into a palm of your hand, as it's that you've just miniaturized it, and there's nothing but love around you, around the world, around your city, that you're safe, and dropping into this present moment. And you know that this is all about inner alignment with you and the broader part of you. That broader part of you is, people call it soul, spirit, source, inner being, love, peace, God, the universe. It's you aligning with that beautiful expanded version of you. And that's where your genius is. When you drop in and listen to that part of you that's inside of you, you're always receiving guidance. And one feels like it goes downstream, as if you're floating down a river. And the upstream means it's like you're paddling against a current, it's impossible to swim upstream if the river's really fast. It's going to carry you back down. And that's what our thoughts do when we're trying to fix something. We're not broken. Remember that. Feel that you are so profoundly loved. You're not broken. Not even one bit of you is broken. Each one of us is special and unique and amazing. And you're gifted beyond belief. And you have this guidance system that's leading you. When we can't hear it, it just means we're in a place that is an opposite vibration, meaning like if we think something's hard, like I think recording can be hard. I'm just making fun of myself. And our inner being, our source of the universe, or all of that feels like the opposite is more true. It's more love. There's more peace there. So we gotta, when they talk about in law of attraction, bring in that softness or bring in that allowing place, or allow in, or let go inside of our body. They're not saying let go of our desires. They're just saying soften around an issue. Go more downstream, as if you're being carried by a gentle stream and letting the river carry you. That's all they're saying in the law of attraction. So how do we soften? And embracing this present moment and realizing we don't need to be fixed. And breathe. Don't hold your breath. Slow that breath down in your body. So when we start to, we can go really, really, really fast when we're aligned and only aligned, completely aligned. If we're not aligned, they say they want to, in the law of attraction, they ask us to kind of let go and defocus a little bit, connect to our breath, get into the powerful, beautiful moment of the now. And that's where we start to receive the guidance of our inner being. That's where we can start to receive the goosebumps from our inner being. That's where we can start to feel like, wow, there is this beautiful stream of love in this universe. And maybe I've been pinching it off just with a thought, only with the thought. A thought that the broader part of us is not agreeing with. Anything that doesn't feel like love is upstream on a river, up the stream, as if you're swimming upstream against the current. And anything that's downstream feels more like joy or ease or authenticity or allowing or presence or embracing where we are. We're not trying to fix anybody. We are reaching for ease, and we're reaching for softness, or we're reaching for contentment, or hope, or relief, any of that beautiful energy. So the contrast has caused you all to expand and bless that darn contrast. It's amazing. Bless it because it creates where we are in this moment. It's made us keep expanding, and that is so beautiful. It's caused us to expand, and what they say is, oh, breathe into it. When we're not keeping up with the expansion, we're just pinching it off by thinking an upstream thought. That's all we're doing. That's all we're doing. But we're so aligned, and I shared with you all. You can all continue to breathe because I'm just going to go on for another about 3 minutes. That's all. I shared with you all that I looked up this stuff on the internet. This so beautiful stuff. Being in the present moment. That's the most powerful thing. And I was looking up who's really present, who's really kind, who is like a masterful allower besides all the geniuses that we know, like, Buddha or Muhammad or Christ or any of those profound master creators. Who is the master allowers of our time right now? And they could be very simple people like you and me. It doesn't take that much. It just takes a desire to be in the flow and go, regardless of what they're going to do, regardless of what anybody's going to do. Our intention, you feel it in your heart, your intention is to be real present with yourself and let them just be right in their moment. People are just learning along their way. Everybody's doing the best they can. We're doing the best we can, right? Remember, this is not fixing work. So any of those coaches or any of those teachers that teach you to fix something, it's more about allowing than fixing, because you're not broken. It's more about aligning and softening inside of our body. So one of those people that I looked up, and I shared with you a little bit before I started this wonderful recording, was Mr. Rogers, that child's wonderful children's friend and TV show host, and some say he was a friend to everybody. But there was nothing he pushed against, but he just found a way to deal with stuff and learn to allow it. You got to get the emotions out. How do you get the emotions out in a healthy way? And then realign with your true intention. And his true intention was to befriend everybody and see the best in everybody. That was his true intention. What's your true intention? That's what I want to know from all of you. What makes you embrace the present moment? What makes you shine? What makes you uniquely you? That's so beautiful. That's so amazing. And so this isn't amazing, profound work. Anyone can do it, but we've got to stop being hard on ourselves. We gotta be gentle with ourselves. This is about being light and loving with ourselves. This is about reaching for a little bit of relief, little bit of ease, little bit of peace, little bit more love, a little bit more mindfulness to embrace the present, so we can then allow, and then our future moments become a little brighter and a little brighter and a little brighter. And so, this is self-kindness. When we're kind to ourselves, then we start to be kind to the world. And then we start to really align. I'm telling you, when you start to embrace the present moment, and you start to get in harmony with your inner being, and you start to resonate, even with that vibration of, oh my God, I get a whiff of clarity in that space. Oh my God, I get a whiff of relief. Oh my God, I get a whiff of little bit of bliss, a little bit of peace, a little bit of laughter, then we start to allow all that good stuff to flow into us. And that is so profound. I can say that this isn't genius work. It's so simple. But yet, when we do align, we do tap into that genius side of ourselves. So I contradict myself right now. And I love the law of attraction, how it contradicts itself. Because when we do align, we get in touch with that stream that connects everything in the universe and we become inspired. And that's when you get the goosebumps, and that's when you get the inspired ideas. And that's when genius starts to flow through you. But you're not reaching for it. You're not reaching to fix. You're not reaching to fix anything. You're not broken. No one is. We're just embracing the present moment and asking for, with your breath and our presence, finding the deliciousness in the air, in the chair, making a list of things that make you feel really good. Just embracing that present moment and learning to go downstream a little bit more. And you're also amazing, and I'm so grateful that you're all here today. And let's continue with the work. And I'm going to stop this amazing video. And thank you for that. And I love you so much.